Python is a powerful programming language, and today we're going to make it sing, or at least play music. That's right, we are creating our very own music player using Python. Before we get started, we have to install a few libraries Pygame for playing our audio files in Mutagen to retrieve the metadata of our songs. Let's start by importing the libraries we just installed. You think it's too soon to say let the music play? Well, it's never too early for a good song reference, right? Now, Pygame uses a slightly different system for music as it considers it a stream. We will be initializing Pygame's mixer for this purpose. Next, we'll load our music file. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've got this sweet tune called example, awk. Can you guess the tune? Now, a good music player needs controls. Let's start with play and stop. You'll definitely need these when your favorite song comes on. Or when Baby Shark starts playing for the 100th time today. For you. I can already hear Baby Shark approaching the top of my playlist. Let us move on. Let's now tackle working with metadata using Mutagen. With this, we can get songs, title, artist, and even the album. Before we continue to build out a more complete player with playlists and song recommendations, I'd like to ask you to take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying so far. It keeps the music playing for this tutorial series. Alright, with that out of the way, let us mix up some more codes and tunes. We will now brainstorm about creating playlists and generating song recommendations in our next video. Stay tuned for that one. And remember, always keep your code groovy.